In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to fund Sorare. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up to sorare.com and either sign in to your account or register for a new account if you don't already have one. Then from here, it should look something like this inside the dashboard. By the way, this will work with both the football, NBA, and MLB. From here, you'll need to go down to the menu over here and then click deposit from here. Then from here, you'll see the add cards over here. Once you do that, you'll see that you can have amounts where you can select $25, $50, $500, or other. From here, you can pay with either Apple Pay, new credit card where you can enter your credit card details, PayPal, or direct wire transfer. You also need to be aware that Amex cards are not supported for Sorare. If you want to use an Amex card, you'll need to use the crypto way. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!